Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, in our last video, that is the first part of the chapter trigonometry, we have discussed some basic principles or basic concepts of trigonometry, and also we have discussed the trigonometric ratios. You know there are 6 ratios. So trigonometry is the relationship between the angles and sides of a right triangle. So here, just to recall you, what are the trigonometric ratios? There are 6 ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So let us discuss. So here I have taken theta is an angle of the triangle ABC, where B angle is 90 degree. You know the opposite side of right angle is known as hypotenuse. So here AC is the hypotenuse. So we can symbolize as H. So here I have taken the angle theta. So the opposite side of angle theta is AB. So and the adjacent side of angle theta is BC. So sometimes the opposite side is termed as P and adjacent side is termed as B. So this is P for perpendicular and B for base. But here we have taken the name of the sides. For your convenience, I have taken here the name of sides. So sine theta, all of you know what is sine ratio. That is opposite side by hypotenuse. That means AP by AC. And cos theta is BC by AC. That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equal to AB by BC. That is opposite side and adjacent side. And tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So if tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, then cot theta will be adjacent side by opposite side. That is equal to BC by AB. And sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is equal to BC by AC. So sec theta will be AC by BC. Again cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So that is equal to AC by AB. So here sin theta is equal to AB by AC. So cosec theta is equal to AC by AB. So let us solve some examples by using these ratios. First example is, given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. That means we have to find sine, cos, cot, sec and cosec. So here tan A is equal to 4 by 3. For this angle we have to find the trigonometric ratios. So what is tan theta? So tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan A. What is the opposite side of angle A? That is BC. Then adjacent side is AB. So BC by AB, it is given that this is equal to 4 by 3. So from this ratio we can write that BC is equal to 4K and AB is equal to 3K. So here BC is equal to 4K and AB is equal to 3K. So by using Pythagoras theorem we can find the hypotenuse or AC. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So this is equal to 4K square plus 3K square. So this is equal to 16K square plus 9K square is equal to 25K square. So this implies SC is equal to 5K. So SC is equal to 5K. So now we know all the sides, so we can find the other ratios. So what is sine A? So sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side of A is equal to BC, then hypotenuse is AC. So this is equal to 4K by 5K. So this is equal to 4 by 5. Then what is cos A? So cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. So So this is equal to 3k by 5k. This is equal to 3 by 5. Then what is cot A? So cot A is 1 by, we can write it as 1 by tan A or adjacent side by opposite side. So this is AB by BC. So this is equal to 3k by 4k. This is equal to 3 by 4. So it is given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3. So that means cot A is equal to 3 by 4. Then sec A. Sec A is 1 by cos A. So that is equal to 5 by 3. Then cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. That is equal to 5 by 4. So these are the 5 ratios other than tan we can find out by using this method. Next example, if angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. So here we have taken two triangles. In two triangles, triangle ACB and triangle PRQ, it is given that sin B is equal to sin Q. So here angle C is 90 degree and in triangle PRQ angle R is 90 degree. So sin B, what is sin B in triangle ACB? So sin B is opposite side by hypotenuse. So this implies AC by AB is equal to, here also sin Q is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to PR by PQ. So here AC by AB is equal to PR by PQ. So we can write it as AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. So let it is equal to K. So then we have to find the ratio of BC and RQ. So these are the ratios of two sides in two triangles. So we have to find the ratio of BC and RQ. So what is, by using Pythagoras theorem we can find BC. BC is equal to square root of AB square minus AC square, and QR is equal to square root of PQ square minus PR square. So what is, so this implies BC by QR is equal to square root of AB square minus AC square by PQ square minus PR square square root. So this is equal to, what is AB? So AB can be written as K into PQ. So K square PQ square minus AC can be written as KPR. So K square PR square square root divided by PQ. PQ is same as PQ square minus PR square. So this is equal to K square can be common. We can take K square to outside. The K square root of K square is K. So this is equal to PQ square minus PR square. So divided by square root of PQ square minus PR square. So this is equal to K. So we have found BC by QR is also is equal to K. Here we have taken AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to K. So this implies AB AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to K. So in our triangle chapter we know that if the sides, all the sides of two triangles are in the same ratio, then these two triangles are similar. So this implies triangle ACB is similar to triangle PRQ by side similarity condition. So this implies angle B, all the angles are also equal. So this implies angle B is equal to angle Q. So in this way, by using trigonometric ratios also, you can prove this. Next example, consider triangle ACB right angle at C, in which AB is equal to 29 units and BC is equal to 21 unit, and angle ABC is theta. So this angle is theta. So determine the values of first sin square theta plus cos square theta and second cos square theta minus sin square theta. So first we will solve the first solution. Then to find the sin theta or cos theta, we need another side, that is AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find AC. So AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. So that is equal to 29 square minus 21 square. So this can be written as A square minus B square is equal to A plus B multiplied with A minus B. So this is equal to, this is 50 multiplied with 8. So this is equal to 400. So this implies AC is equal to square root of 400, that is 20 unit. So here we got AC is equal to 20 unit. Now we can solve to find sin theta and cos theta. So what is sin theta? So sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So that is AC by AB. So this implies 20 by 29. And what is cos theta? So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is BC by AB. So this is equal to 21 by 29. So here we have to find sin square theta plus cos square theta. So is equal to 20 by 29 square plus 21 by 29 square. So this is equal to 20 square by 29 square plus 21 square by 29 square. So this becomes, so 20 square is 400 plus 21 square is 441. So 29 square is 841. So this is 841 by 841 is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what is the second? That is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this means what is cos square theta? 21 square minus 29 square minus sin square theta is 20 square minus 29 square. So this is equal to, LCM is our 29 square, this is 21 square minus 20 square. So we can write it as 21 plus 20. For easy calculation, we can apply this divided by 29 square. So this is equal to, so this is 1, this is 41 by 841. So this is the answer. Next example, in a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. So here in this triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. If tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. So here it is given that in triangle we have to write the given, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. And it is given that tan A is equal to 1. So if tan A is equal to 1, what is tan A? So tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by AB. So this is equal to 1. So this implies BC is equal to AB. So let it is K. So BC and AB, let this is K. So we have to find AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is equal to K square plus K square. This is 2k square. So what is AC? So AC is equal to root 2k. So now we will find sin A. What is sin A? So sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. So is equal to what is BC? K by AC is root 2k. So this is equal to 1 by root 2. Then what is cos A? So cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means AB by AC. So this is also K by root 2k. So this is equal to 1 by root 2. But we have to find 2 sin A into cos A. So 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 2 multiplied with 1 by root 2 multiplied with 1 by root 2. So that is equal to 2 into, this is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Next example. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Find the value of sin Q and cos Q. So what is given? In triangle OPQ, angle P is equal to 90 degree and OP is equal to 7 centimeter. And also it is given that OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter, or this implies OQ is equal to PQ plus 1 centimeter. So first we have to find the sides of the triangle. So what is the relationship between the sides by using Pythagoras theorem? That is POQ square is equal to PQ square plus PO square. So what is OQ? So this implies PQ plus 1 whole square is equal to PQ square plus OP is given, that is 7 square. So this implies PQ square plus 1 plus 2PQ is equal to PQ square plus 49. So this implies 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1, that is 48. So this implies PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. So if PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, then what is OQ? So OQ is equal to PQ plus 1, that is 24 plus 1, that is 25 centimeter. So we got the three sides, that is PQ is 24 centimeter, OQ is 25 centimeter, and it is given OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Then we can find sin Q and cos Q. So sin Q is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is OP by OQ. So OP is 7 centimeter by OQ is 25 centimeter. So this is equal to 7 by 25. Then what is cos Q? Cos Q is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So PQ by OQ. So this is equal to what is PQ? 24. So 24 by 25. So these are the sin Q and cos Q. So in this way you can apply the trigonometric ratios to solve any problems.